Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Today we're going to go into some of the new clearance items. You already see it, and some new lower prices. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. But of course, first of all, how's your parking lot sale going? I hope it's going great. Some great haul lists that I've seen. Always let me know how the parking lot sale is going and what you've picked up, because it helps for future planning, for now planning. But I hope it's going well for you. But we're gonna start off with some clearance items. Now, clearance, they update here and there. It's not a normal cadence that gets updated. But the first one I wanted to focus in on is the Quinn Master Technicians tool set, 428 piece. It's down to $389.97. But there is a new Master Technician set, 428 piece at $430. And so although that discount isn't too crazy, only about $40, I wanted to look into that. We'll touch base on that one first, is the new Master Technician set. Now, so just so you're aware, from what I'm seeing, so we have the new on the left and the old on the right, and at least from my understanding, everything is the same with the exception of the ratchets. Clearly, or maybe not so clearly, they both include 3 of the ratchets, but this looks like the fully sealed ratchet versus the non-fully sealed ratchet, which I imagine is just an older Quinn ratchet, which was in that set. But everything else appears to be the same, or at least they haven't updated the pictures. So same set, but new ratchets in the new set. If the ratchets don't bother, which ratchets it comes with, it doesn't bother you, well, you can save about $30, about $40. But that clearance item discount is not the greatest. It has gone down now to $389.97, but that Master Technician set has gone down as low as $300. So yes, it is on clearance, down to $389, but this has been discounted deeper before, so almost doesn't necessarily make sense to get this clearance item when the new Technician set is out with the new ratchets. And at least here in the product overview, it does say they're the 3 ultra thin sealed head 92 ratchets with 4-degree arc swing, provide increased accessibility in tight spaces. So that's one of the items on the clearance. New to clearance, $389.97. They have a new item already. The difference that I'm seeing is the ratchets. Now, the other item that I want to go over is the Haul Master 2,000 pound capacity, 5 foot by 10 foot custom modular trailer, down to $650. Now, this was all the rage about a year, was it a year and a half ago? All the rage about a year and a half ago. It came out, and we will go over the price history. It's down to $650. The original price that it came out at was $1,000. And here we have the price history for the car. It came out at for the trailer. It came out at $1,000, which I remember we recommended using the 15 or 20% coupon on a few times to get it down to $850 or get it down to $800 when it first came out. Then, for some reason, in April of last year, they decided to raise the price to $1,300, and they quickly changed their mind because only a few months later they brought it back down to its original price. But then here we are a year later, and it is now a clearance item. I'm assuming because it didn't sell, and it's down to $650 as of less than a week ago. And the reason I have it on my chart here is it's a modular trailer, so you're supposed to be able to buy different modular parts for it and customize it. So some of those parts, from what I have seen, are on clearance and some not, and then there's just some missing. And at least the one that I didn't see on the website anymore was the rail kit. So no rail kit available, but the other options like the ramp holder kit and the actual ramps at $20 and $90, and then the stabilizer at $8. But huge discount now on the modular trailer. Now, it wasn't popular, is what I'm assuming, but it has not been this discounted before. And I don't know how long they'll keep it out for, but just with the discount from its original price of $1,000 down to $650, it's never been lower. And if they do a sale for Father's Day sale, or as we know, Harbor Freight will do eventually another 15% off any single item, or they'll do another 20% off any single item. You can get this down if they have it available. If it's just a 15%, maybe almost an extra $100 off. So get this down potentially to $550 if you're combining it with a 15% off or 20% off any single item. So I thought that's something I would share with you because we've gone over it in the past. And the 650 is a crazy price. Of course, not if they're not offering any of the modular sets, but let me know what you think. Would this be useful without the rail kit? But 35% off, had to mention it to the HARBROs. And then the last items that I wanted to go over is the new lower prices. So we have the 48-inch farm jack, an extra 10% off, $10 less. Not within our threshold, but good to know. The Central Machinery 36-inch bending brake with stand, $300 down $30. So also 10%. So not huge discounts, but they're new lower prices. 16% off the Pittsburgh 11-inch straight and 90-degree offset long reach pliers 2-piece. And then the Pittsburgh 20-degree offset and 45-degree angle long reach pliers 2-piece, 16% off as well, down to $10. But here's one that has a huge discount that I've not seen before. It's the one, and this is very niche. Not everyone will need it, but for the discount is a huge discount. It's the One Stop Gardens, the 6-foot by 6-foot greenhouse. $60. Wow, $60 is its new lower price, 40% off. Create the ideal growing environment for your plants with this easy to set up portable greenhouse. So that's up there with parking lot sale level discounts. We will look at whether people like it or not. 4.3 stars out of 5, 87% recommend. And let's look. Well, watch the video, but they said great for getting gardens started early. And it looks huge from this picture. Perfect size to put up every spring to get an early start on my outdoor plants. Better than I thought. It was a chore to bury the stakes, but they are huge and work great. I couldn't pull them out if I tried. We've had 4 storms that have produced 40 to 65 mile-an-hour gusts, and it didn't move an inch. Does not hold up in sunny weather. Okay, good to know. Excellent quality for the price. Quick and easy to assemble. All frame pieces are well finished and fit together perfectly. Fabric covering was easy to install and appears durable. Easy assembly. Will recommend to friends. It's a greenhouse. I did not use it as a greenhouse, but a confined area to dry out honey. Nice size. No long braces in front or back. On ground for stability. Love it. Excellent price. Super sturdy. So overall, great little room, great little greenhouse kit, and it's 40% off down to $60. So this was a shocker to see it at such a high discount. Of course, the new Pittsburgh crossbar dent repair kit down to $13, 13% off. Bunker Hill Security, $40, 11% off. The Yukon garage cabinet, $400 down $50. Just over 10% off. The windshield removal tool, $15, only 6% off. Pittsburgh's 10-ton hydraulic short body ram, $40, 11% off. The Pittsburgh 9-inch safety wire twisting pliers, $14, 6% off. And then the 30 by 72-inch garage cabinet from Yukon, $300, also $50 off. But those are the new lower pricing, which happen every so often. Huge discount on this One Stop Garden 6 by 6 foot greenhouse. So had to mention it. Oh, and we could look at this before we get off the topic of the greenhouse. 6-foot by 6-foot greenhouse. Originally it was $130 back in May of 2021, and it stayed at $100 since 2024, and now they have had a huge discount in price, 40% off. So it is by far the lowest that it's gone, at least according to the tracker. But those are our new lower prices. Those are some of the new clearance items. The Quinn Master Technician's Toolset, 428 piece. But the one that caught my eye was the Hall Master 2,000 pound capacity, 5 by 10 foot custom modular utility trailer down to $650. Thought the HARBROs should know, but I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Again, I hope your parking lot sale weekend is going great. We got a few more days. I wonder if they'll extend it. They tend to extend the parking lot sale for another week as super coupons. But again, good luck out there. Happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Always good luck out there, and as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.